Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this Kidde Pro Series 120 volt smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. This is a talking alarm. It will tell you carbon monoxide, fire, and low battery. The features are battery backup, test reset hash button, photoelectric technology. Replacement date is 120 months or 10 years after installation. Here's some additional information. Electrical rating is 120 volts, alternating current. Audio alarm is 85 decibel. Temperature range is 4.4 to 37.8 Celsius. Humidity range 10% to 95. Sensor is electrical chemical. Wiring is quick connect plug with 6-inch pigtails. Here's some additional important information. This unit is not designed to be interconnected with other manufactured products unless otherwise specified. The Kidde carbon monoxide alarm meets required response times as follows: 7 ppm within 60 to 240 minutes, 150 parts per million within 10 to 50 minutes, and 400 parts per million within 4 to 15 minutes. Let's take a look inside. Inside this box, there's an anti-theft protection, so don't try to steal this. It includes one user guide. It will tell you everything you need to know. This is the front load battery backup. Comes with the Duracell 9V battery. These right here are the speakers, one for the voice and one for the alarm. This is the quick connect harness that goes to the back of the smoke alarm for the 120 volt connection. If you are only installing one smoke alarm, you will only need to connect the black and white wires. If you are using more than 2 smoke alarms, you will need to remove the red cap and use the red wires to interconnect them. Maximum interconnection is 12 smoke alarms. This is the mounting bracket. It goes on like this. We can pretend there's a power outage, and thanks to the battery backup, this device is still operational.
Push test button. Appuyez sur le bouton d'essai. Fire. Push test button. Appuyez sur le bouton d'essai.